These materials have been prepared as a summary only and do not contain all information about the company's assets and liabilities, financial position and performance, profits and losses, prospects and rights and liabilities. Vast owns 80% of the asset. Black small square official mineral resources NAN code for Baita Plai as recorded are reported as 1.8 MT at grades of 2.19% Cu, 3.07%. Pb 3.46% zinc, 1.41 grams TO and 128.2 grams TAG. Where the mineral resources are classified as 1.27 MTC1 resources and 0.61 MTC2 resources under the Russian Mineral Resource Reporting System, the NAN code. Black small square in broad terms, a C1 resource is equivalent to the Australian Joint Ore Resources Committee, the JORC code, indicated mineral resource, while a C2 is broadly equivalent to an inferred mineral resource. Black small square of the 1.27 MTC1 resources, 0.64 MT, are located within the main Antonio pipe or skarn where production is targeted to recommence. Black small square historical assay data from the mine, assayed at ALS laboratories in Rosia Montana, Romania, is currently being captured to create an assay sample database suitable for JORC mineral resource estimation in the near future. Black small square and measured resources in other pipes and substantial exploration upside. Baitar Plai Polymetallic LLICMINE. Black small square investment of less than 4.5 million United States dollars to date for acquisition, care and maintenance, legal fees, improvements and allocation of overhead. Black small square further 3.5 million United States dollars budgeted for restart capex including underground drilling. Black small square vast has acquired 60 years of infrastructure development and investment that is estimated would cost more than 50 million United States dollars to replace and take 5 to 10 years to build today. Black small square implied value to vast shareholders is more than 8 times outlay to bring asset into production in the near term. 3. Target to reopen mine in mid-2019. Underground hoist chamber. 1 kilometer tramway to processing plant. Processing plant comprising crushing, milling and flotation circuits. Implied value of more than 8x investment to date. 4 Baitar Plai at IVEPRODUCTIONPLAN. A production plan for Baita Plai BP plan has been developed on the following basis. Black small square utilizes the non-JORC compliant NAN code mineral resource in the absence of a mineral resource block model. Black small square defined the ore body outline in the areas targeted for commencing production from actual mining and geology plans. Black small square developed a mining schedule utilizing Mine 24D based on the ore body defined above. Black small square determined mining costs utilizing actual labor rates from the Manila operation together with actual consumable item costs as sourced for Manila. Black small square utilized the average of the process plant recovery factors and concentrate grades from the last 8 years of production. Black small square obtained quotes from Romanian and Chinese suppliers for the capital expenditure equipment requirements. Black small square. The plan has been produced by Craig Harvey, the Chief Operating Officer for Vast and a full-time employee and director of the company. Craig Harvey is a competent person who is a member of the Australian Institute of Geoscientists and of the Geological Society of South Africa. Startup team deployed for startup indicative production plan which exploits currently accessible mining areas only. These internal projections are developed from the BP plan compiled by Craig Harvey, the Chief Operating Officer for Vast and a full-time employee and director of the company. Craig Harvey is a competent person who is a member of the Australian Institute of Geoscientists and of the Geological Society of South Africa. These projections are initial forecasts calculated using the information currently available in order to demonstrate the potential production profile and returns available once commissioning commences at Baita Plai. The actual results are subject to many uncertainties. These projections may not be achieved, and readers are referred to the disclaimer at the front of this presentation. 24-month production projection from funding. 6 month. An accelerated schedule aimed at delivering cash flow within 6 months. Anticipated development schedule subject to funding.